Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters. We just got a beautiful top-up order of Blackwattle Yarn Fibre's 4-ply yarn called Wattle. So I wanted to show it to you while we've got lots of colours. It's an amazing 4-ply fingering weight yarn, and it's made from 100% alpaca, completely sourced from Australia. So you can really know that you're getting Australian yarn here. Blackwattle is based in Murrumbateman, which is just north of Canberra. And we have an amazing relationship with Angela, who's the owner of Blackwattle. She was first featured here as part of our Sister Spotlight program about 4 years ago when we first opened. And since then, we've been actually doing a whole lot of collections with her where she and I sit down, well, we used to be able to sit down together and plan colours. Now we do it all by Zoom. So this year, she had them all spread out on her table and we were going, oh, we need another pink in there, or we need another blue in there, we need something else multicolored. And I was looking on my phone and she was showing me, and it's super fun being able to do that with a dyer and actually really plan the colors that we want to share with all of you. Some of the colors that we've got are completely exclusive to Skein Sisters, and if you look on the website, you'll see an SS after it, after the name. Others are her kind of standard colors, and we love to blend the two because we can really, if we're finding that a trend is going towards, you know, the mustards, we can bring in more mustards and so on. I've got a gorgeous shawl that I made when we very first got it. So it's about 4 years old. It's called Waiting for Rain, and by Sylvia McFadden. And I totally loved making it because can you see that there's these kind of wedges of lace that go through into the middle of it here. So short, they're made by doing short rows around the lacy bits. It's ended up with this totally scrummy, soft, cozy sort of halo and fluffiness to it. And we were talking this morning and I said, oh, it's just so fluffy. And Janine said, no, but that's what's so great about it. You know, I really don't want to get rid of that gorgeous coziness with my fabric shaver. We also, a couple of years ago, had Ambah O'Brien come to the store, and she designed this beautiful Correa Wrap, it's called, for her visit, and it's using Angela's wattle yarn. So she used 3 different colors in a graduation with a darker pop. So you could do something like these 3 greens and pop the navy in with it. It's completely up to you. It can be in that gradient color tone, or you could do something quite wild and make it a bit more of you know, contrasting colors. So Blackwattle, we're super proud that we've got it at Skein Sisters. We love it. We're going to get some more of her lace coming up soon, so keep an eye out on the newsletter and you'll be first to know about it.